Alright guys, my name is Zai and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a YouTube short. I just want to say thank you for all the views, likes and comments on my previous YouTube short that I did. This short was just a little thing I was testing out and it blew up and I really appreciate it, so thank you. So this tutorial is going to teach you how to do a YouTube short. And I'm going to make a short of this as well, so don't worry if you encounter this here or if you see it elsewhere. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, no bullshit. So you're going to go onto any kind of editing software that you have, as long as you have access to the settings of your project. Now, this is where things get a bit more interesting. You're going to actually change your resolution. Say you wanted a 1080p YouTube short, you're going to actually invert this resolution here. So if you wanted a 1080p one, you'd actually do 1080 by 1920. If you're doing 720p, it would be 720 by 1280, that's it. Obviously 60 frames per second, whatever you really want. So as you can see now, we have a vertical video. Now I'm going to go ahead and import the media that I'm going to be making into a short, which is this Fury kill that I got during an online game of Call of Duty. Now you kind of want to make this a bit bigger so people can kind of see what's going on and make sure it's obviously central. So as you can see, I'm playing the audio right now, playing the gameplay, and you can see it's all right at this. You're going to get some black bars. There's nothing you can really do about that. It is going to be a vertical video, so people will see exactly what you're seeing here. But yeah, that was my Fury kill on some Christmas noobs that I did the other day. Now this clip here has to be under 1 minute, has to be under 60 seconds in order for it to work. So I'm just going to pretty much cut out the bit where I want it to end. So let's go to export it now. So it's however you want to do it. I'm just using Camtasia for this tutorial. You can use whatever software you want as long as you change the resolution. Keep your settings custom. Obviously this doesn't matter, but make sure when you're exporting that it will keep it at the inverted rate and keep your aspect ratio. And obviously then you can just call it YouTube short or whatever you want to call it. There is one more step once you've got this this sorted, so you can see now it is rendering. Alright, so now you're going to go to upload your video on YouTube, and obviously you've got to locate it wherever you kept it. I keep mine here nice and safe. Now go ahead and place your thing here. Now this short, you can name it whatever you like. So in this case I'm going to name it Fury Killing Christmas Noobs. So the description, delete that for now, don't need that. All you need to upload a YouTube short is to have your video in the settings that I recommended and also type in #shorts. That's it. That's how you get your YouTube short. Alright, so as you can see, the video is now vertical format and it's literally just a little short just showing it off. This will all make sense when you see it on my channel. You'll be able to check it out. It'll be at the end of the video as well for you. But I hope this helped. I'll show you on my phone as well what it looks like. Alright, as you can see now, if I go down onto my channel, you can see right here the video works. It is now a YouTube short and you can see it here. The quality isn't going to be the best right now because it hasn't done the high definition version of it. You know, I record in 1080p 60, so but yeah, you can see it works. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and check out the rest of my content. I've been doing more Call of Duty tutorials. I've also been doing a good fix on how to change your frame rate. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day.